How to fix Messenger video call camera off problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and simply search for Messenger just to make sure you have an updated version of the Messenger application. So let's search for Messenger on the search bar. And as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Messenger application. So simply go back and launch the settings application on the device. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on apps and select on manage apps over here. Now as you tap on manage apps, it will take us to a new page where you can see the option to search for the application. So you can simply search for Messenger right over here on the search bar. So let's search for the application. It might take a while over here depending on the connection that you have. So let's tap on the application as it pops up and simply tap on the app permissions. So as you tap on app permissions, make sure you have given the access to the files and media and camera over here. So as you can see, the Messenger has been given access to camera, files and media, microphone and so on. So now you can just relaunch the Messenger application and this might definitely help you out. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.